Post-pregnancy fitness. Reclaim your strength, one step at a time. Hey mama, your body just performed a miracle. Now, it's time to focus on you. Regaining strength after pregnancy doesn't have to be overwhelming. In this video, we'll share gentle, tailored exercises for busy moms to help you feel strong, energized, and confident again. Start small, but start strong. We begin with simple movements like pelvic tilts and breathing exercises to reconnect with your core. Gradually, add low-impact routines such as bodyweight squats or seated stretches. These are safe, effective, and designed to fit your recovery journey. Motherhood is demanding, but don't forget, a healthier you means a happier mom for your baby. Even 5 minutes of movement can boost energy and relieve stress. These routines are flexible. Squeeze them in during nap time or while bonding with your little one. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Celebrate small victories, like finishing a short session or finally feeling stronger in your body. We're here to guide you at your pace. No matter where you're starting from, you've got this, mama. Take the first step toward reclaiming your strength. Hit that subscribe button and join our supportive community of moms just like you. Together, we'll make fitness work for you, because you deserve to feel amazing inside and out. Let's move forward, one step at a time.